Hello children, welcome you all back to GK class. Today we'll start chapter number 15, art forms. Children, as you all know, you all love art and craft. Here also this chapter is about art, but the difference is that art here the chapter is about art forms, different types of art forms. Okay? What is art? The expression or applications of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form such as painting or sculpture, producing work to be appreciated primarily for their beauty or emotional power. Now, children, today we'll learn here different forms of arts like mural, calligraphy, sand art, graffiti, origami. Okay, these are the forms of arts that we are going to learn today in this chapter. What is mural? This is a large picture painted directly on the wall or ceiling of a building. Many different styles and techniques are used to create an artwork. What is origami? This is also called paper folding art. In this, square shaped sheet are used to fold and make a shape, make art. That's why it is called paper folding art. Paper is used to be fold. Okay, that is origami. Now next is graffiti. Graffiti is writing or drawing made on a wall or other surface, usually without permission and within public view. Graffiti ranges from simple written word to elaborate wall painting and has existed since ancient times with examples dating back to ancient Egypt, ancient Greece and Roman Empire. Now next come mosaic. A mosaic is a pattern or image made of small regular or irregular pieces of colored stone. Children, as you can see here in the picture, this all up these pictures as you can see, this all are created by the small pieces of stones, colored stones, glasses or ceramic held in place by plaster, mortar and covering a surface. Mosaic are often used as floor and wall decorations and were particularly popular. Children, this mosaic. What is mosaic? A mosaic is a pattern or image made of small, irregular or regular pieces of colored stones, glass or ceramic, held in place by plaster, mortar and covering of surface. Children, you can see these pictures above. This all pictures are, these are the creative, this all pictures are made up of small stones, colored stones. Okay, you can see it's very beautiful. This is called mosaic. Now next one, what is calligraphy? Calligraphy is the art of beautiful handwriting. As you all know this word calligraphy, it's the art of beautiful handwriting. Now next one, and the last one is sand art. By the word itself we all know what is sand art. Art which is done by sand. The practice of modeling sand into an artistic form. You can see this is an artistic form. You can see this picture. This is done by sand. So how beautiful it is. Okay. Such as sand brushing, sand sculpture, and sand painting or sand bottles. Children, I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.